Radhekrishna, our next destination was Pandukeshwar or Yoga Dhyan Badri. Pandu Maharaja did penance here along with his two wives Madri and Kunti. Next, we stopped at Vishnu Prayaga, the confluence of Alakananda and Dhauli Ganga. We proceeded towards Bhavishya Badri, which will become the main destination for pilgrims when the present Badri Vishal closes down. This temple is situated in a very beautiful place. We have to trek 1 to 1.5 kilometers up to reach the temple. Guruji gave a beautiful satsang about that place. We came back to Joshimath and saw Bhavishya Kedar. Then Amar Kalpa Vriksha, where Adi Shankara did penance. We can see the cave where he did penance underneath this tree. Next, we visited the Shankara Mutt. We also saw the Spadigalinga given to Totakacharya by Adi Guru Shankaracharya. Next morning, we proceeded towards Vriddha Badri. This temple is situated in the middle of a hill. We have to climb down the hill halfway, have darshan, and then again climb down to reach the road where the vehicle will be waiting for us. Here, Bhagavan Badrinath gave darshan to sage Narada as an old man. Guruji gave a beautiful satsang on this. We started climbing down to the point where our vehicle will be waiting there to pick us up. We got into our van and started towards Kalpeshwar, our next main destination. But unfortunately, since work was going on the road, the path was blocked and we had to return halfway. We started our journey down and saw Nandaprayag, Karnaprayag, etc. on our way. We stopped at Adibadri, which is now with the archaeology department. But the temple puja is still going on. We had good darshan there with Guruji's satsang. We reached Koteshwar next. It was in this place the great Haridas Giri Swamigal attained Jalasamadhi. Koteshwar Mahadev cave. We can see the Spadigalinga there. Next we went to Rudraprayag, where the rivers Alakananda and Mandagini meet together. We had good bath, divine bath here. Sage Narada, proud of his musical abilities, was humbled here and did penance here. Next destination was Raghunathji Mandir at Devaprayag. Here the rivers Alakananda and Bhagirathi meet together. From this place she becomes Ganga. After Ravana Vadha, King Rama did penance here. River Mandagini flowing from this side, and from that side Alakananda joining. From Devaprayag we reached Vasishtha Guha, where sage Vasishtha and Arundhati Devi did penance. Our last lap of this trip. Next day we started homewards. Jai Badri Vishal.